Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to Uncle Leo's Story Time. Today's story is called Sun and Wind. It's a story about the sun and the wind and an argument they had one day. Sun says that there is great power in gentleness. Wind disagrees. I believe there is great power in strength. Let's have a test then, says Sun. Far below, a boy is walking on the road. He is wearing a winter coat. Let us see which of us can take the coat off that boy first, says Sun. No problem. I am strong. I can take the coat off that boy, says Wind. Wind blows and blows, but the harder wind blows, the tighter the boy holds his coat. Then Sun has a turn. Sun shines down on the boy. Sun makes the air very warm. Soon the boy feels hot. He takes off his coat. How did you do that? Said Wind. It was easy, says Sun. I got my way through gentleness.